Hello, my dear parents. Welcome to KC, Mom Search Engine. We are back with another episode of our winter series. Today, we are going to discuss the most fun topic shopping. Winters are up and chills are running down. We need clothes, but increasing COVID cases has restricted us to our houses. Thereby, we are bringing some brands that you can find online. And to add to the happiness, these brands are affordable, reliable, and quality conscious too. Please note that this video is not sponsored by anyone and it is purely a research based video. So let's quickly dive into the video. The first brand we will discuss is, you read it right, Baby Hug, a venture by FirstCry, is currently India's #1 brand for over 4,000 plus products like clothing, toys, diapering, etc. It is catering to all age groups, newborn, toddlers and kids. This brand has made its mark. It is affordable, starting at Rs 400 for winter wear and goes up to Rs 2000. It is widely showcased on firstcry.com and provides even hand-knit sweaters, which are not offered by any known brand online. You can find the link in the description box in order to shop. For those who wish to get notifications regarding the videos related to kids product and services, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you really want to know more about us, you may check us in the name of KC, Mom Search Engine on Facebook. With that, we come to our second affordable brand name, Max. Max is a venture of Dubai-based Landmark Group with over 300 stores across 16 countries. But why it made it to our list? It is an affordable yet quality brand, especially for those people who doesn't want to invest highly in kids clothing. Do you know? Full sleeves t-shirts start from Rs 199 only. Pretty prints, cost effectiveness and wide range is what is the forte of this brand. The best part is that it is now available on Myntra and one can shop sitting at home. The next brand on our list is Cucumber. As the name suggests, this is a cool old Indian brand that made its mark in Sri Lanka and Singapore too. It's also a key to kids wear in local markets. However, this is now available on FirstCry and on Amazon too. Cucumber Trivia. It is topmost brand of Eastern India. It is present in 86 cities in India and is made with 100% mercerized cotton that makes its products stronger with better resistance. Now, moving on to next brand, Toffee House. Mommies of stylish infants and toddlers. This is your go-to brand. It is considered to be a big brand across Asia, manufactured in India. Go local! This brand is known for its style, innovation and craftsmanship. While going through its products, we found that people who like rompers by Carter's and do not want to invest in that brand can substitute Toffee House with it. Beautiful coordinate sets, dangaris and dresses. All are cutely displayed over FirstCry and Amazon. Go check it out and leave us a comment if you like the collection. The last brand on today's list is, with whooping followership of over 46,000 on Instagram and over 26,000 followers on Facebook, this California brand has made its mark in Indian terrain. Cherry Crumble's style quotient is formal and sophisticated. Amongst all listed brands today, this is the most expensive one. This suits people who want to dress up the child elegantly yet cheerful. The color blocks range in jackets, the dull colors in pullovers with V-neck and printed shirts all look so matched with each other. Check out their collection on Myntra as well as hopscotch.com. That's all folks. Please subscribe us and hit the bell icon if you like the content we do. We are doing videos regarding kids products and services and you may check out our previous videos regarding kids moisturizers and shampoos for winters. Upcoming is a winter essential list for all the mommies across. See you next Wednesday. Bye-bye.